Hi! Oh, you came by to learn some piano? Then you come to the right place. Today I'm going to teach you some simple exercise to practice arpeggios. And it's a kind of intermediate level piano playing. And I know a lot of you have been asking me for like a cinematic piano lesson, so let's begin with a simple exercise to teach you some arpeggio playing. Let's take the tour. Okay, so before we dig into the exercise, I'd like to hear what you struggle with in your piano playing. So please let me know in the comments if you have any type of requests, what you want to learn more about regarding the keys. Okay, so this exercise is mostly focusing on playing the arpeggio in the right hand, but we're going to begin playing the chord or the root and the fifth and the octave of the root in our left hand. So we're going to begin with a C, then the fifth, and then the octave. Then we're going to continue with the chord. It's just a C major chord to begin with, so we're going to continue with the E, the G, and then the C. And after playing that, we're going to continue upwards playing the G, the C, and the E. And progressively upwards, so C, E, G, C, G, C, E. And progressively upwards and then downwards. Then we'll continue in the circle of fifths, so we're going to continue to the G chord, then to the D chord, then to the A chord, then to the E chord, and then to the B chord. The G, the D, then the A, and then the E, and then the B. Yeah, so I feel this is a really great exercise because not only do you practice playing the arpeggio in your right hand, you also practice playing different chord inversions. So this is going to help you with playing different chords, obviously, too. And not only with playing like fast arpeggios. To begin with, it's obviously going to be more important to play accurately and defined rather than just trying to play fast. So make sure you make use of your pinky and practice the strength in your individual fingers. And try to get as even velocity as possible in the fingers. Another great exercise to practice the strength in your fingers, if you don't have a keyboard or a piano at hand, is to put down the fingers on the table like this, and then lift one finger at a time, and push down like you would do on a keyboard. Oh, reminds me of aliens. Yeah, anyway. Okay, so let me know if you have any type of questions in the comment section, and I'd love to hear what kind of stuff you struggle with in your piano playing or keyboard playing. And if you want to learn more stuff like this, make sure you join my Music Theory for Beginners course at edu.morningjoymedia.com. See you in the next episode. My name is Mutaz. Bye. This course will teach you the fundamentals of music theory, as well as chord progressions, scales, harmony, counterpoint, and much more. Throughout this course, we work with sheet music as well as the good old piano roll. No matter if your intention in the course is to become a better musician or a professional composer, or maybe you're just preparing yourself for deeper music studies at the university, then this course is a great starting point for you.